Hi everyone, so today we are going to talk about 3 Shopify quiz builder apps for lead generation. And the first on our list is Recomma. It is a Shopify quiz builder app that has a lot of features and that will help you create product quizzes to engage customers, boost sales, and grow the subscriber list. Basically, it has a couple of interesting and useful features such as a lot of options for customizing your quiz to match your store's look, or using logic jump or for dynamic paths, and the point system for custom recommendations. It can also create personality tests and questionnaires that will result in a couple of minutes. And also it has 4 published types such as inline quiz, pop-up quiz, quiz on button click, and separate page. So let's firstly install the quiz app. Basically, for that you need just to click on the install button and it will open a page like this. And I forgot to mention, you should have your own Shopify online store. And after that, just you need to click install and your quiz app will be installed in seconds. You can find it in your apps section. Here you can see that you can watch videos and quick tutorials to get started with everything. But before we get into this, I want to show you a couple of demo stores. So for that, you just need to click on the view demo store and this page will open. So let's take the first demo quiz, and it is an eyewear quiz. Let's start. You should just answer a couple of questions here, and you should choose, for example, what type of sunglasses, what style of sunglasses you prefer. Let's pick this one. We also need to choose the features that are most important for us. For example, it should be durable, lightweight, and should have a UV protection. Next up, we'll choose what activities we usually do when we wear sunglasses for. So let's choose everyday wear. And here we have perfect sunglasses based on our answers. So basically, product quiz answers to the questions that are so basically, product quiz is about your answers. So whatever you put there, it shows the result according to your answers. Let's go. And let's also understand if you prioritize eco-friendly materials. For example, it is important for me, so I pick yes. And also, let's write what is the ideal sunglasses style for us. Basically, it should be comfortable and fashionable. So let's go ahead and let's write our email here. And let's submit to see our results. Here are the sunglasses that are the most comfortable for us to use and correspond to our answers. This is basically it. We should also take a personality quiz just to see how that also works and to understand the differences between them. So let's take the quiz and see what we get in result. So what's your ideal weekend? We should choose one of the options. Maybe I'll choose getting friends together. Which quote speaks to you the most? Let's take this one, for example. What's on your screen says a lot about what's on your mind. What's your vibe? Let's choose the background. Maybe let's take this, and then how people describe you. People describe me as maybe open and adventurous. Which soundtrack fits your life right now? Let's take For example, this one, I don't know, you should choose for yourself. And let's also pick a visual. So we should choose the image that speaks to our soul the most. I'll choose neon lights and street art. And here is the result. Basically, you can read all of the key traits or like the description about you after you get the result. And let's now understand what's the difference between product quiz and personality quiz. So basically, product quiz gets you the result of a recommended product according to our responses to the questions, and for personality quizzes it gets you to the result page, which has personalized information in it and describes you the best possible way according again to your answers. After we saw how easy it is to get through the quizzes, we should now get to creating one by our hands. And now let's create a quiz with our hands to see how easy it is and how you can completely create a new quiz with no coding skill required. For that, you just need to click the add quiz button and a page like this will appear. So I just created the quiz questions to save time. And so let's see, the first thing you see is the welcome page, and you should write the heading and the subheading. Here I created just a sample quiz for you, and here you can choose the image that best describes your quiz type or whatever. You can also change the layout. It will display your image in different ways. And so here also the button text that your customers will click and it will take them to the quiz. I wrote it start here, and this next you should click to the first question and write the question that you want to have that will display, and your customers will have to choose from the options that you provide here. And you can if you have other options, you should add a choice and write whatever you want. And here you can also change the question type from all of these options. Here it is a single choice question for my quiz. And also you can change the question image and put something that corresponds to your questions. You can change the image width, and here are many other options that you can experience with. And next up is the second question. You can add as many questions as you want. I only have 3 to demonstrate how it works. So here I chose picture choice as the question type, and we can upload images and let our customers choose from that images. And again, the same way, you can add any image that you want here. And the last type of question, I chose multiple choice and gave the options, and my customers can choose a couple of options from here. They can choose all, and that's it. And here as the result page, after you finish all the questions, you can write a heading, a subheading, and the result will show on the page for the customer. After that, you can also add your product if it's a product quiz for all of the questions you have written here. Then you can customize it, make it more good looking and corresponding to your whole online shop. Here you can also add some integrations depending on your preferences. And the last step is to choose from the 4 publishing types which one you want, and just click save. By doing this, you basically create a whole quiz. We can also go over the preview. and see how it will look. This is just a sample quiz once again, and you can play with your quizzes and questions as the way you want. Here is basically how it looks, and we can see the result. It will show you the picture or the answer, and that's basically it. So after creating the quiz ourselves, I would really like to go over the pricing list too. So Recomma has both free and paid pricing options. You can see it here. So the free pricing plan includes 50 quiz responses, 1 quiz, 5 questions, and the basic plan includes 500 quiz responses per month, unlimited quizzes and questions, and many other features. And the growth package includes 2,500 quiz responses per month, unlimited quizzes and questions, and again many other features. So you will also have a 14-day free trial option for all of the pricing plans, and this is it for Recomma. So the second quiz builder app in our list is Quizify. It is again a Shopify quiz builder app that is very easy to use and has attractive quiz templates. So Quizify increases sales and decreases returns. It is also direct text or type-based product recommendations. It uses conditional logic and has powerful analytics and actionable insights that target customers with accurate data. So for installing it, you just need to click on this button, and a page like this will open, and you will just click install. And here is our Quizify. Before we get into creating a quiz, let's just go over its demo store. For that, we'll click here and just simply go over one of the quiz demos by clicking here. And let's, for example, get through the skincare quiz. Let's try and see how it works for this one. Take the quiz. There are 6 questions. Let's just quickly choose anything and just see if we like how it works. We should also write our name, our last name, just writing whatever, and our email. Okay. And let's also choose this and put that. The results will show in a couple of seconds. And here are the products that we need to use to make our skin better. Okay, it shows 4 options. So yeah. Okay, so now let's start with creating our own quiz, and for that we need to click on the start quiz button, and for that we will have this page, and either we can start with a blank, or we can select the type of a quiz from here and select recommendations from here. But in order to save time, I already created a simple quiz, and for that let's just go over it, and I'll explain how everything works in detail. And for that let's go over my quiz and just see how everything works. So I created a 3 questions simple quiz. For that we need to start with the intro page. We just click on it. Here we can see everything that can be changed. You can write your heading, your subheading. You can change anything written here, and after that you need to click save. And after saving, we need to come back to the main page, and here will be demonstrated your questions that you can add more to that, and here are the options that you can choose as your question types. For me, it's a single selection in this case. You can also change this part, but I'll keep it like this in this case. You can also change how your answer layout will be, and the question name is written here. So basically you write that with displayed here, and you can also upload your images. You can also make the image show as a background image. And if you go a bit down, you can also see that you can change the answer names, you can add descriptions to your answers, you can upload images for your answer. After you do everything, you can also add other answers like this, and you need to save all your changes. After that, if you want to add another question, all you need to do is just click to this. After saving, you click it, and the next question opens. For me, it's this, and the question type here is multiple selection. In this case, I just added images as answers and let the options here, and people can choose at least one or both of these options, or many more if you add other options. After you finish doing everything, you just click save, and you can move on to your third question or your whatever question. For me, it's a range slider here where people can slide it. You can also decide the minimum value and the maximum value. For me, it's from 0 to 10. You can upload any images, and after you finish it, you need to save and save the whole thing as well. Then here you can see recommendations. You can either go without recommendations or with recommendations, depending on whatever your product is about. Then you click to the result. You can add the thank you message, or you can write it for yourself. Here it also gives you an option for a thank you message. You need to click next, and here you can also see conditional rules. So with Quizify, you can change or add any conditions. So if your customer chooses something in the first question, it's going to jump to the next question, and so on and so forth. Or you can basically delete the rules or add anything else. So after that, here are many other options that you can go over if you upgrade to the Pro plan, and let's see the preview. So it shows for mobile versions, tablet versions, and desktop versions, and all we need to do is just click on the Start Quiz button, go over our questions, choose whatever we want to choose, slider, and we will also need to write our name, last name, our phone number, and also our email. We can also click this button and click done. So thank you. Here will be your results displayed, and your customers will understand what type of product they need to get from your store. After going over how to create a quiz with our hands, we can also go over and talk about the pricing. So Quizify offers free and paid versions. Free version includes 50 quiz responses in the single quiz with 5 questions. There are starter, growth, and pro plans, which include different features from each other. With starter, you have unlimited quizzes and questions. With growth, you have score and type recommendation. And with pro, you have customer email, Shopify customer integration, and many other interesting and useful features. And the last quiz builder app that we're going to talk about is QuizKit, which is again an AI product finder. It basically helps to create quizzes, choose from 20 professionally designed templates, or create your own one. It also integrates with a lot of apps It also uses multiple logic options for advanced and granular product recommendations, and also displays personalized quiz results on your website, or you can also get it through your email. And let's quickly install the quiz app in the same way as we did for the previous two. A page like this will open. You'll need to click the install button and get your app in seconds. And here it is. From here you just need to choose the pricing plan that is most comfortable for you to use, and you can also try a free trial and understand if you want to use this app or not. But before we get into it, let's also go over the demo store. A page like this will open and we'll take this quick 3-minute quiz. Let's write our name and continue to the quiz. Let's understand. I'll choose this, and the age group will do this. We'll do this. This is again a skincare type of a quiz. And let's quickly write our email. And let's see our results. So here is the results that whatever product I need to use to make my skin look better and be more healthy. And now let's move on to creating a quick quiz, just to show how easy it is to use this app. For that, you just need to click on the create a new quiz, and a window like this will open. I already created a quiz to make it easier and faster for you to see. We'll just go over it. So basically, here is your introduction page. You can click on the heading, change the question to whatever question you want to ask. You can also add a subheading, or you can add an image. Here you have built-in images, or you can upload them from your computer, your device. And you can also change anything on this button. You can also show an arrow or not, as you wish. Then moving on to the questions. Here are just 3 questions for the sample. When you click on the content, you can change the heading, you can write anything, you can write a description, you can also add a bottom text, and again in the same way you can choose any picture you want from both the built-in images or just uploading from your computer. You can change this as well, like the width. You can change the position whenever you want, whatever you want your image to be. And then you can also customize the answers. Here you can write whatever is more convenient or comfortable for your quiz and corresponds to your questions. In the same way, the second one. From here, the question types is just a single choice question. Or moving on to the next, we here chose the quiz type as range slider. You can change it from here too. There are only 4 options available. And if we click on the content again, here we can change the heading, we can upload any images, change the position of it, and it's with the same logic as the previous one. And the last question, here the question type is a drop down, so basically your customers will click to this arrow and choose the option that describes their answer the best. And after you finish doing this, you just need to save whatever was changed and move on to the results. So here you can add as many results as you want by just clicking add result. You can change the type of the outcome. For my case it's products, and You can also change products from here by choosing anything that is more appropriate for you. And for each result, you can also change the path. So for the first question, you can choose what your customer will answer, or the second, for the third, for all of them. And after that, you can get the personalized responses and results. So after that, we'll just move on to the publish part. We can look at the preview to see how our quiz looks. So people should answer and choose wherever they want, and their results will be shown according to their answers. This is just a sample quiz, so you can do it better when you customize it according to your quiz theme. And also, let's go over the pricing plans for Quizkit. So it has free and paid pricing plans. The free one is for Shopify partners with development store access, and the paid pricing plan is called Scale. It is AI-driven quiz generation, A/B testing, seamless tool integrations, and many other features that are actually really useful that you can use to create your quizzes easily and without any problems. I would also like to mention that all of these 3 Shopify quiz builder apps are good in their ways. However, Recomma is better as it does not require any coding skills and it is easy to navigate the interface, and there are frequent and usual updates, and also live chat support, and that is proving to be good. But for the other 2, I would like to mention that Quizify has limited customization options, and it also has a potential slow loading times, and some of its features have the possibility to be locked behind a paywall. And for Quizkit, it is lacking customization features, and the pricings are also not really comfortable and convenient to use. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.